When the Imam speaks, have you ever wondered why the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, told us to listen when the Imam recites? It's because listening is like opening a magical door to your heart. When the Imam's voice flows, it's not just any sound. It's the words of Allah, full of love, kindness, and wisdom. These words have a special power to make our hearts feel calm and peaceful, just like when you listen to your favorite lullaby or the sound of gentle rain. That's why when the Imam recites, it's a moment for everyone to come together as one. As the words echo through the mosque, they remind us that we're not alone in our prayers. We're part of a big family, a team, and we're all connected by our faith. Our hearts beat as one, and we focus on the words that guide us to be better Muslims. The lesson from the Imam's recitation is like a precious gift for all of us. It teaches us to be kind, patient, and thankful in every part of our lives. It teaches us to love Allah more every single day and follow His path happily. So whenever you hear the Imam's voice, remember it's a special moment. Open your heart and let Allah's words bring you peace and calm. Let those words be like seeds planted in your soul, growing into beautiful actions and kind deeds. Listening isn't just about hearing words. It's about letting them sink in and lighting up your path like a star. It's a reminder to hold on to faith and hope, knowing that Allah's love surrounds us always. So when the Imam speaks, listen with your heart and let his words be the light that guides you on your journey to righteousness. May Allah bless you with deep understanding and give you the strength to stay on His path with total determination. You've got this.